Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So today I will walk you through a technical demonstration of how I configure and run the benchmark test using tool HWiNFO64. So I will take you through the entire process step by step for both multi-core and single core workloads. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, first of all, navigate the HWiNFO tools website and download the installer. You need to extract the file. You need to extract the zip file and run the tools directly. As I already did it before, I will now launch the tools. So this is the startup dialog. Select the sensor only mode to proceed directly to the sensor dashboard. Okay, so now I will run the tools. This is the summary using flowchart for the step-by-step workload A and then workload B. So here is what will be displayed. To keep the workspace clean, you need to hide unwanted and unnecessary things to keep the log clean. Now I will only narrowing the view down to the 4 critical sensors that we need for our report, which is CPU temperature, core clock, package power and thermal throttling flag. Okay, let's run. For the multi-core workload, click the log sensor button, this floppy disk icon at the bottom. Click there. I will name this file as homework HWiNFO workload a.csv and click save. With the log active, open the Cinebench and select the multi-core benchmark to start the test. Choose 30-minute test and start running. Once the first test is done, click the stop button, the floppy disk icon in the tools to end the logging. Next, I return to the Cinebench, change the setting to single core mode and choose 10-minute test as we need to run the workload B. Then click the log sensor button once again. I will save this second file as HWiNFO workload B log.csv. Okay, I am now starting the single core benchmark. Notice that I have scrolled the HWiNFO64 window to show the CPU usage percentage row, as this is where we need to capture the data for this specific test. Okay, finally, I will stop the logging for the second test. Now I will open our folder to show that both .csv files have been created. I will open them in Excel just to confirm that the data was recorded correctly. So this confirm the procedure is complete. Okay, so provided here is the result of our workload A performance test. As illustrated in the file, these charts show the direct relationship between CPU package temperature and core clock frequency over the elapsed time of our multi-core stress test. I think that's all from me. Thank you.